This 2026 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 17JW is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 23 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, awning, TV antenna, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, external shower, refrigerator, slide-out, microwave, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 17JW is 4,311 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.